Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to stop applications from launching and startup. First way, how to disable applications from startup is using dock. Find application which is started after reboot, right click, options and uncheck open and login. After next reboot, the application will be not started. Second way is using system settings and login items. Open Apple menu, system settings, general, login items. Here you can see applications which will be open automatically when you log in. Let's say I want to remove Tidal. Just select it and hit minus button. Third way is to check which daemons and agents are launching at startup. You can find them in library folder. Open your Finder, go to Macintosh, library, and search for launch agents and launch daemons. Here you can delete application daemons and agents and prevent them from startup. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. For more macOS tutorials, please check my playlist macOS. Thanks for watching.